Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today please join me in cooking milkfish steak or Bistek na Bangus. Let's do it! Here are the ingredients. We have olive oil, onions, garlic, brown sugar, calamansi juice or lemon juice, soy sauce, and we have fried milkfish here, which is already half cooked. So let's get started. Let's mix our ingredients here. Put our soy sauce right here. Okay. Lemon or calamansi juice and the brown sugar. Okay. In our wok here, we're gonna add some oil. Some olive oil. Let's put our onions. Okay. All right. We can cook this for 1 minute. We'll add our garlic. Now this is the right time to put our soy sauce and calamansi juice mixture. Let it boil for 30 seconds. Now it's boiling now. We can add the milkfish now, and so the milkfish will absorb the taste of this mixture. And we're gonna flip this over, cook the other side after 1 minute. We'll cover it this time. Now we're gonna flip this over, so the other side will absorb the mixture. Okay, and we're gonna simmer it for another minute, and this should be done. Okay, this recipe is so simple, and this takes only a few minutes to prepare. So let's cover it for 1 minute. Now let's check this out after 1 minute. Wow, it smells really good. This is done. We can transfer this into our serving dish. See you in a bit. Here's our finished product. Milkfish steak or Bistek na Bangus. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.